Hi all. Um, oh, where's my tag? I'm going to work on one of my tags for Spankie's Crafty Corner. I'm going to work on the week 2 prompts, which were, the word was simplify, the texture or material was to use a stamp, and the color combination was yellow, pink, green, and blue, which is kind of, I'm not sure about that. So I don't like the pink. She keeps choosing pink. I'm gonna probably use this. It's just a foam stamp. I have my word simplify. I have some yellow things. I have some inks. I have my little hole stamper thing. So we'll see where it goes. I'm just gonna set the prompts aside and work on it. I'll be back at the end to show it to you. And have fun watching. Okay, guys. Let's bring it in so you can see it closer. Guess I could have brought you in sooner. Oops. So I simplified with a simple circle punchinella to give me some circles for the background. I used this fun foam circly stamp that my sister sent me. The word simplify, and I used ink because ink works real nice when you want to do a quick tag or something like that. So oh, and I used my little peg stamps. I love those little peg stamps for words. They're wonderful. I'm going to read you a quote from 1001 Ways to Creativity, and never imagine that an idea is too obvious or stop because it must have been done before. If you find your true voice, then everything you create will be unique. Okay, guys, have a good afternoon. Go have fun. Go make some art. And do check out Spankie's 52 Weeks Tag Challenge. The link is in the description box down below. And I am just now really getting started on it, so I'm kind of working on them every which way. So you have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.